my dear. Look, my hair. Hi, happy Monday.
Hello, dear.
Hi. Oh, hi. Happy
Hi.
Monday, my dear
Yeah,
Tron.
a new week for everything new. You have more time for doing some new plans.
Yes, a new start.
Yeah,
Yeah, but how are you today, my dear?
yeah, I'm pretty good, and I have more time for preparing for my study.
Why, my dear?
Yeah, my parents are at home now, so
Oh,
they can yeah look
oh,
after my son. Yeah, and
nice.
he's sleeping with my parents. So everything they support me, and therefore I will have more time for studying.
Ah, nice. That means you have a lot of time to focus and you can take a rest.
Yeah,
Yeah. But how is your father, my dear? Is he okay now?
yeah. He's feel better now. But during the recovering, um, the year this year, right? Yeah.
Again, my dear. During
Um, his year is sick for year. This one year. Um,
okay, ill.
do I
Okay.
remember correctly? Yeah. Ill, ill health.
Yes. Sick illness.
Yeah, illness.
Ah, yes.
It
Nice.
is a
But
noun. Ill is an adjective.
wow, but how's your weekend, my dear?
Oh yeah, I have a wonderful weekend because my husband come back come back my hometown. Yeah, to to visit my I and my son. Yeah, because he now is He's, he now is living in Hanoi, and I live in my hometown. So it's take a long time. We haven't meet with each other. So last week he came back and have a present to me.
Wow.
Uh, yeah, he gave me a present for uh, from my and say thank you to me for look after his son. Yeah.
Wow. So how did you feel when you're receiving the present?
Yeah, it's very surprised to me because I just pretend that he just come back and and spend time with us. Not to not I didn't hope that I can receive a present from him because he's very busy for his work. So every time he often concentrate on his work and my son as well. So yeah, last time he gave me a present. I'm very surprised about that. Yeah, and I love it. I love the gift much. It's not too expensive, but for me, it is very meaningful. You know that?
Yes, because that means he remember you. Mm.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
idea
And
of
he give me a card and write something in the card as well. Yeah,
mhm,
yeah.
message.
He's yeah, exactly a message, a short message.
Mhm.
He is very shy when he want to talk to me something. Um, yeah, about lovely or something like that. He is very shy when talking some word, lovely word with other people. So that's why he give me a card and write a message to me from the card. And yeah, I read this word.
Oh, okay. But usually, is he open or is he vocal when it comes to his feelings to you? Like he would often tell you, "I love you" or "I miss you."
No, he actually is um hardly ever that he can talk something like this. I love you or I miss you, everything like this. It just for some special occasions. He told me that, but for a long time he didn't tell me anymore. Uh, yeah, I know because he spend more time on working, yeah, and make money. So I think that everything happened in his life changed his characteristic. So instead of saying something like this, he do action. Yeah, rather than saying lovely word like we are when we are younger. Yeah, I think so.
So it's more of like an act of service. The love
Yeah,
language. Oh,
yeah, exactly
of
something like this.
service. I like that. It's more sweet, right? Because
Yes,
you will
exactly.
feel the love through actions.
Especially, yeah, especially for people who have family and kids, it will be meaningful than other words.
Yes, exactly. Wow. Okay. I can feel the love. Okay, so I think you. Oh, wow. Okay, you are now. Oh, here's your answer.
Yeah, I just um I just make a revision about this question and fix some answer that we are finished in the previous lesson. Just fix them a little bit for to make more um realistic to me. Yeah, so I can remember or I can pretend to think of if it is happen in the real exam.
Okay. So, in your answer here, what is your favorite room in your home? I
Yeah,
spend, I think we should add, I spend quality time. Is it okay to put quality time, to add
yeah,
quality time
yeah,
here?
yeah. Quality time.
Yes, quality time. Quality time together. And here, I think it should be cozy.
Cozy. Yeah,
Yes,
cozy.
that lets in a lot of natural light. Oh, would it be all right to use plenty of instead of a lot, Mizir. Like plenty
Oh
of
yeah,
light.
plenty of natural light.
Yes. It's like you are emphasizing the abundance of light, like in a good way. It's like
Yes.
plenty, bright, welcoming, and it fits the cozy vibe that you're describing. Huh.
Yes. Okay.
So, not that plenty in plenty of natural light. Oh, plenty of natural light. In my free time, my son and I think it would be good if instead of I and my son, would it be all right to use my son and I? My dear, my son and I often
Yeah.
play my s- my son and I like
Or
yeah.
or may or maybe you can delete the word in my free time. Because it just when I'm talking about myself, it will be better. Yeah. Or we just say that it is cozy and has large window that lets in plenty of natural light. And sometimes I and my son often play some games in here. Yeah, that would be better.
Yes. How about in my free time, my son and I often play games here like hide and seek or puzzles.
No, I want to train in my free time.
Ah, okay.
Um,
You want
to
to
yeah,
okay.
train that place into sometime
Hmm.
I and my son play. Yeah, sometimes
Okay.
I and my son play some games because I think that
But,
uh,
I can play some games. What if
1 second. Oh, 1 second.
sometimes
1 second.
sometimes my son and I often play games here, live, play games here, like sometimes
Sometimes
like
sometimes my son and I
often
play
play
play.
often play
No, no,
game.
no, delete the word play often.
Ah,
Yeah, because we add sometimes in the
sometimes.
first.
Sometimes my son and I play games here,
Sometimes son and I play
like
in here, hide and seek
like
or puzzle.
hide and seek, hide and seek
Yeah,
or puzzle.
my
So
favorite my
fav-
favorite my favorite room is the living room because it is where my family and I spend quality time together. It is cozy and has a large window that let in plenty of natural light. Sometimes my son and I play games here like hide and seek or puzzle.
him. Hey. So what makes things
Make your home pleasant to live. Yeah, as I told you before, the location is very convenient with many shopping malls, school or hospital nearby. And also, my apartment has modern facility with a fitness center or a swimming pool, which make life more comfortable.
Let's
Yeah,
see.
center. What is the
The location. I think it's very many shopping mall, school, and hospitals. Me also, my apartment has modern facilities like fitness center and a swimming pool, which make life more comfortable and enjoyable. I think it would be nice to use location instead of locations, my dear. The location, the location, instead of locations, the
inside?
location is very convenient. And then we should add comma here with many shopping malls. Oh, and and hospitals. It should be hospitals nearby. And then also my apartment has modern facilities. Center. I think we should use center.
Yeah,
My apartment has modern facilities like fitness center or a swim. I think we should use and a swimming pool, like fitness center and a swimming pool, which make life more comfortable and enjoyable.
and a swimming pool.
Yes, life more comfortable and enjoyable,
Yeah,
and the swimming which
and
life
a
make
swimming
more
pool, which make life more comfortable and enjoyable.
like a fitness center. Okay. Nice. The location is very convenient with many shopping malls, schools, and hospitals nearby. Also, my apartment
Also,
has modern
uh,
facilities like a fitness center and a
as well.
swimming pool, which make life more comfortable and enjoyable.
Yeah, that's more
Nice.
perfect.
Okay.
Are the people in your neighborhood nice and friendly? Yes, of course. Most of them are very friendly and helpful.
Can you say it again, my dear?
We
Can
are,
you louder your voice? A little.
yeah, okay.
Sorry.
Um, no, that's okay. Yes, of course. Most of them are very friendly and helpful.
Friendly
We
and
are a very friendly and helpful.
helpful. Okay.
Yeah, we often, um, we often, we often talk to each other and have a meal at the weekend. No,
Often?
no, 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 no,
Oh,
no,
it would be
no, have a
redundant.
year. Yeah. We
Okay.
often talk to each other and what else you can do with your neighbor?
Again, AJ.
What else you can do with your neighbor about your
Uh,
personal?
nice and friendly. I think sharing foods.
Oh yeah, sharing food, right? We often talk to each other and sometimes we share our food. We share our
Often talk
food.
to and we share our foods. Yes, of course. Most of them are very friendly and helpful. We
Very
often talk to each other and we share.
we share our food. Yeah, and sometimes
Mm.
and some neighbors even lend a hand if needed.
Again, my dear.
Okay.
And
Some
we often
neighbor,
share
some
our
neighbor, yeah, and some neighbor even lend a hand if needed.
even though
Even though lend a hand,
they lend their hand
yeah,
like that.
if
Oh,
needed.
I see. Needed. Mm. And we share our foods and some neighbor even though they ah and some neighbor there
Yeah,
I
lend a
think
hand. I don't know, just like in the chapel, lend a hand. Yeah, have to do something.
again, my dear.
Lend a hand.
Lend
How,
their hand.
yeah,
Lend
hand.
like that.
Yeah,
Okay. And some neighbor even lend their hand if needed.
I don't know. Yeah,
Lend.
yeah, lend a hand. They have to do something. Yeah, I mean that sometimes
Uh,
they will help me to do something if needed,
what if instead of
and
saying we
even
often talk to each other, we often greet one another warmly. We often greet
pa-
one another warmly.
great. Can you
We
type it?
often greet one. We 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 often greet one one another
Great.
warmly.
Yeah, we often greet each other. Yeah.
Or one
Um,
another. We often greet
one
one
another.
another
Yeah,
warmly.
warmly.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, warmly. And we share
and we share our
our
food.
foods.
And some
Okay. I
neighbors
think
even.
we often greet one another. Should we add? It would be redundant to use and. We often greet one another
Yeah,
warmly
yeah,
and we share our foods and some it would be yeah.
yeah,
So
yeah.
I think
So
we should add a period here and then
yeah, I know.
some neighbors,
Some neighbors
yes,
even
even
lend
lend
have
their
their hand
hand if need.
if needed.
Oh yes. Yes, of course. Most of them are very friendly and helpful. We often greet one another warmly and we share our food. Some neighbors even. Oh, nice. Okay. Hope you answer the question. Do you know any of your
Oh, oh,
neighbors?
yeah. We often greet one another warmly, and we
Mhm.
share our food on special occasion. That will be better.
Oh,
Yes, special. Just on special occasions, not like normal day.
should
We
we include
here
that, my dear?
share.
Ah,
No, no,
okay.
no, no.
Share our
Share
foods.
our food. Yeah, on special occasion.
Ah, we see. On a special.
Oh,
Oh,
no,
yes.
delete the word Yeah, delete
Okay.
the word because sun. Yeah, there are several occasions, special occasions
We
in a
share our
year.
foods
On special occasions.
on a special occasions. On a special occasion. On a special occasion. Oh, I think we should on special occasions.
Yes.
And we share our foods on special occasions
Yeah,
like
just
that.
on special occasions. Because
Mm.
yeah,
Nice.
just normal day we don't do this one.
Yes, it would add
Yeah.
clarity.
Clarity.
Okay, it would add some clarity. Mm, sorry, con and officer.
Yeah. Do you know any of your neighbors? Yes, I know a few of them. I know. Yes. The next question. Yeah.
Ah, yes, a few of. I think we should use neighbors. Yes, I know a few of my neighbors.
Yeah.
Okay.
That would be
Yes.
more polite.
Okay. Ah. Yes, I
Yes, I
know.
know a few of my neighbors.
I know. I know. Yes, I know a few. I know a few of my neighbors. Few of my neighbors. We
Uh,
often nay
yeah.
nay 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 nay.
My I knew I know a few of my neighbors. There is a small family living next door, and they have some. They also have a son like me. Uh, they they also have a son.
Or
Uh,
what?
the same age with my son.
Um, or would it be all right to say like one of my neighbors is very kind and like for example, he often shares his fruit from their garden.
Oh, will be better.
Like
Yeah,
and then you would say it's nice to have friendly people to have a friendly people nearby, something like that. Like you are grateful. Right? Right? Is it okay? Uh,
yeah.
yeah, one of my neighbors is very kind. One of my neighbors is very kind. One of my
My
neighbors
neighbor
is
is very
very
kind.
kind and often and often shares food from their garden
My
with
neighbor is very
us, from their garden with us. It's nice to have a friendly people nearby, near friendly people. It's nice to have friendly. One of my neighbors is very kind and often shares fruit and often shares fruit from their garden with ours. It's nice to have friendly people with us. Yes, I know a lot of my neighbors. One of my neighbors is there. Or we often greet each other when we meet. We often we often greet each other when we meet, when we meet, when we meet, and sometimes we talk, and sometimes we talk about our, sometimes we talk about our daily life, about our daily life. One of my neighbors. Oh. Yes, I know a lot. Yes, I know a few of my neighbors. We often greet each other when we meet, and sometimes we talked about our daily life. One of my neighbors is very kind and often shares fruit from their garden with us. It's nice and many people.
Teacher, can you please with my hat? So can we 5 minutes? Hi, dear. Hello.
Hi, can you hear me, my dear?
Yeah, can we stop? No, no, just in here. Yeah, can we stop now? Next time we will learn more.
Again, my dear.
Can we stop now?
Our class?
Yeah. Um. Yeah, my hat. Yeah. Next time we can. Um. Can you? Oh, can you hear me?
Next
Sorry.
time. Yes, I can hear you. Next
Yeah,
time.
yeah. Uh,
Can you say that again?
yeah. Next time we can continue the lesson.
Oh, sure, my dear.
Yeah, sorry. Just have a few minutes left. So next time we add more. Is this okay?
Yes, sure, my dear.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, we have yeah, 5 minutes
Yeah,
left, so I think it would be all right.
yeah.
Okay, thank you
Thank you
so
so much.
much, my dear. Have a nice day.
Yeah,
Okay,
have
bye
a nice
bye.
day.
Take care.